Hi, I'm really excited to be here in New York City during Fashion Week. I've been really inspired by this great braid that we saw at one of the shows, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is part off a triangle section from the top of your head. The best way to do that is take your index finger and at the high point of your eyebrow, go ahead and reach that right up into your recession point. You're gonna do that on both sides and create a triangle parting at the top of your head, and then just get all the other hair out of the way. So I'm gonna take my triangle section and create some volume. I'll be smoothing out the volume with Fashion Work 12. So what we wanna do is soften the top, but not get rid of the volume we created with backcombing. And I'm simply gonna take the triangle section and twist inwards and push up for a little added volume. It's okay to shape it a little bit to your liking. Then I'm just gonna secure it into place using 2 bobby pins, creating an X pattern. Next, create an inside out braid, starting at the partings by our ear. Don't worry about being too perfect, because the whole point of this look is to be a little bit undone. So now that I've reached the bottom of my braid, I'm not going to finish the ends because we're gonna take a clear elastic and we're gonna fold it up like a little bubble. So I'm gonna turn it and tie it, but instead of looping it all the way through, I'm just gonna loop it halfway. So now we really wanna create some more volume. So to plump it up, we're gonna be using powder grip. Shake it to the front of the bottle, and that way you can just press it out and you don't overuse it. I'm gonna continue gently pulling pieces out of the braid while still using powder grip as needed. Once you have the volume in your braid to your liking, that's when we're gonna secure your ponytail with a little bit of Fashion Work 12. Now that our braid is looking the way we want it to, I'm gonna go in and change the shape of the volume that I've created using a tail comb. I wanted to change the shape so I can allow more volume towards the front of my face while being a little off center. Personally, I love how edgy it looks.